Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Z Chemistry. I am Sheikh Zul Islam, teacher of High School Shanu, and today we are going to discuss about the next topic from this particular lesson, that is magnetic effect of current, and the name of the topic is magnetic lines of force. These magnetic lines of force are the curved paths around the magnet due to magnetic force or magnetic field of the magnet. Or we can state that these magnetic lines of force are the hypothetical curved paths around the magnet due to magnetic force or magnetic field of the magnet, are called as the magnetic lines of force. These magnetic lines of force, they are very important to prescribe or to detect the magnetic field around any magnet, or to detect the magnetic force exerted by any magnet on nearby objects. Hence, these magnetic lines of force have certain properties, or they have certain characters. The properties of these magnetic lines of force are as: these magnetic lines of force, they always present themselves in north-south direction, or they are always in a north-south direction. It means that they originate from the north and they go towards the south, or their direction is north to south direction. The second property, these magnetic lines of force are closed. They are closed paths. They are closed paths, means a magnetic lines of force which starts from the north, it goes to south, then it again seems to come towards the this north, or it seems to that it is a closed path, and path is also a continuous path. It does not end at any point. It means that the magnetic force exerted by a magnet on the nearby objects remains continuous. It has a continuous influence on the nearby objects, and usually it has force up to certain point or up to certain area, and that point is basically called as the magnetic field. The third property, that these magnetic lines of force they are crowded near the poles. Near the poles they are crowded. It means that near the poles the influence of magnetic force or the influence of magnetic field is very much strong, whereas in the middle these magnetic lines of force are away from each other, which indicates that in the middle magnetic force or magnetic field, it becomes smaller as compared to magnetic force or magnetic field at the poles. Then there is another property. These magnetic lines of force, they never intersect with each other, they never cross each other. It means that around any magnet, it has a continuous or magnetic force. Magnetic force never becomes zero there. It always has certain effect on the nearby objects. If ever these magnetic lines of force will cross each other, then the magnetic field or the magnetic force will become zero there. Then another property, if these magnetic lines of force are parallel and equidistant from each other. Parallel and equidistant means these magnetic lines of force they are parallel to each other, or they are equidistant, they are at the same distance from each other. They represent a uniform magnetic field. Whenever these magnetic lines of force are parallel to each other and are equidistant from each other, they represent a uniform magnetic field. That was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.